What's the meaning of Anglophile? Anglophile. 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 Anglophile.
An Anglophile is a person who has a strong interest or love for England and its culture. This term is often used to describe non-British people who admire English traditions, language, history, fashion, music, and literature. Anglophiles may visit England frequently, study its customs and heritage, and even adopt some aspects of the English lifestyle. They may also support British politics, sports teams, or social causes. Overall, Anglophilia reflects a fascination with all things English and a desire to experience or promote them.